tell.
Market on open imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 42 million, Nasdaq 100 flat, Dow 30 sell side 3 million, Mag 7 flat as well.
Now. I'm be looking at gold too. What's up, Triad? What is interesting? Okay, so MNQ barely moved, and gold's moving. So I might look at gold. University of Michigan sediment is out at 10 though. Gold is what? I'm early today? Yeah, I hate when you guys say that. I've been out at 9:30 every day except for one day. But the days that I work, can't get on until 2, man. I tried. Side quest polo since the morning. Oh, very nice. This not this NR of likes better? Huh? No, please go one more. Try it. Tap the screen. Get me off the 666. I don't want to be 666. Okay, so gold's moving up. Oil's going down. I gotta look in the oil
Spot
too,
gold
see how it
rises nearly
reacts.
1% to around $4,391.
Okay, NQ is finally moving down here. Wow, these are pretty big candles. Especially since, like, it wasn't moving at all. Not, yeah, I know. Rent trade is bad. So I'm up on 2 accounts. At 1 account, I'm down 400. I gotta get that back. But I can't revenge trade, you know? I gotta wait until it comes back. Yeah, Cowboy. I've been looking at it. It's been working here and there, so. But I'll keep telling you when I switch back and forth. I'm looking at MNQ. Trying to see where this can possibly go. I'm assuming 1-to-1 right now. Just like if you make a mistake, it hurts. I should wait. Okay, so we're still waiting, see how this reacts. Oh no, that's not a good one. 31.15 maybe? Damn, I should have shorted. Thank you, what? This thing is moving.
Trump Budget Director Vought on X says presidential shipbuilding memo. Here are two main reasons. One, the Ford class is too costly and takes too long to build. And two, Vought adds that our Navy shipyards are at capacity with major backlogs.
Okay, Nasdaq
So this is with
bouncing.
regards to the headline that we saw yesterday that from the Wall Street Journal, I believe that the US was to spend billions on restoring old naval ships.
Just trying to get a feel of it, guys. I don't want to just jump in because one candle is 30, 40 points. I kind of want to short it when it gets up to like 218s. Didn't get there. Right, it says 2:33. This is where I have to decide if I'm done for the day or if I go for more. Totally up to you, man. I usually trade until it stops working. Well, try to, in my mind. But good job. And obviously don't trade too heavy. Candles are huge. I'm gonna try one at 218 though. I'm in one. See what happens. Drop! Looking for the drop. I mean, it kind of did go to the 1-to-1 ratio, but just got to see if it's going to continue now. Look at the 5 really quick. Still a little higher. I'm gonna take this as a win, $30. I'm still not really sure. It drops, it drops. Look at gold really quick. Gold's still ripping up.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? SS Rivero, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Oil. Back to MNQ. Let's see how it reacts. So it did break below, but look at this thing. Did it hit the 5? Yeah. Okay, it's still going up. That's why I was like, I'm just going to take it because I don't know if it wants to continue up. In 2 minutes, new 15-minute candle. There is some, it's like important news at 10 o'clock, University of Michigan sediment. So just like that, 100 points down, almost 100 points back up. Nice and slow, steady. Wait for the right moment here so we don't hurt. Okay, still moving up on the Nasdaq. Got 250s right there. We could go. Okay. Wow. Still ripping up, guys. If you guys tried to continue that short, you would have been destroyed. Did any of you guys try to continue that short? Okay, we're going to see here in about 20 seconds. We're going to get a new 15-minute. Be a sweep. We get a nice swipe and we could short it. This is a nice chunk of movement here. All right. 269's also the orb high. Really large candle though. Good gold too. Oil. Nope. Okay. Right back to M&Q. Okay. There's that sweep. Looking for to see if it wants to reverse or continue up. Lay low. Low. Lay low. All right. Is it gonna hold? Don't go too far, man. $20 seconds. 15, 14. All right, let's see if it pops back up to 253s, and then I'm going to short it down to 220s. 30-point move. If it fucking goes there fast, you're going to be so pissed off. It kind of went down quick. Waiting to see if it wants to retest 253s. We're almost there. All right, we're in. Even get to that midpoint. This looks a little bit strong though, I'm not gonna lie. Oop. Come on! Damn. First lost. Been kind of doing this to me the past I traded last night like an idiot, just like doing stuff, and it was doing the same shit. It would swipe and then it would come down. Hopefully it's not like that again today. Real quick recap on that trade. 1 minute 15-minute high and low. Watch this thing fucking drop, dude. You little shithead. I kind of want to go back in, but try it again.
In 10 minutes time now at the top of the hour, do you see the University of Michigan Sentiment August prelim survey? So for the sentiment, the forecast is 55 on the prior 55 spot 2 with a range of 57 spot 2 to 51. 1 year inflation expectations forecast to remain unchanged at 4 spot 2%. 5 year expected to remain unchanged at 3 spot 3%. The expectations prelim forecast 55 spot 2 on the prior 55 spot 4.
That sucks.
And conditions forecast
That's
to remain
5
unchanged
points.
at 54 spot 8. You also get the US business inventories month over month forecast at 0 spot 1% from the prior 0 spot 3.
Wipe down. Should continue down. You got the weakness here. It closed below the cloud. On the 1 minute. Could hit 221s. Go a little bit low. Oh. Alright. So TP hit. I had to jump back in. You could see that it just wanted to soul collect. Ah, man. Look at this fucking thing. Holy shoot. These are like 40-point swings. ES went down. All right, real quick on this. 15-minute high. It's marked out by the orange line here. 1 minute sweep candle. Rips up. Comes back down. Closes below. We enter on that support and resistance that the 1 minute sweep candle created. We shorted it. Started to come down, and then it ripped back up and took me out by 3 points. And then the next candle obviously rips down, so I got back in. I got a little bit of my money back, but should have had the winner the first time. Happens. So there's a lot of news coming out of 10. There's University of Michigan sentiment. There's the 5-year inflation, the 1-year inflation, U.S. business inventories, University of Michigan expectation.
German bonds extend their drop with the 10-year yield rising 5
There's
basis
a
points
lot.
to
There's a
3
lot
spot
coming out
18%.
in really soon. So I've been getting more comfortable with gold too. So we'll look at gold if it gives us opportunity. Like this, probably no entry. Okay, 5 minutes right on that cookie. If it gets a swipe a little bit more, maybe we get another entry on that gold, but I don't think I want to touch NQ until the news comes out though. All right, we just swipe below. Two seconds. Okay, sweep candles created. And then we can bring it across, and we can definitely see that there's a lot of support and resistance here. So if it closes above, we are good. This is gold, guys. Gold. I just transferred went to gold. If you guys are ever curious, look in the back of the chart, MGC1. Pretty big rejection there. Probably gonna continue down the 438. Yep, there it goes. 8 seconds. It's a party in the USA.
So in 5
I
minutes
don't
time
want
now at the top of the hour, we do get the University of Michigan survey data, the August prelim read.
for
Sentiment forecast at 55 from
micros,
the
2
prior
to 3
55 spot 2,
tops.
with a range of 57 spot 2 to 51
I'm gonna do
expected.
3 though.
1-year inflation forecast to remain unchanged at 4.2%. 5-year inflation expectations also forecast to remain unchanged at 3.3%. US University of Michigan expectations forecast at 55.2 from the prior 55.4, and conditions forecast to remain unchanged at 54.8. We also get the US business inventories data for the month of June, forecast 0.1% from the prior 0.3.
Guys, tap that screen. Tap that screen. Show me some love. Show me some love. Mr. Bab. Nah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see what happens here. It needs to close. I'm looking for the long yen gold. This rate doesn't look like it wants it. Yeah, this looks short. MNQ's at a fucking standstill. Waiting for those reports. It's in 2 minutes. Or 10 o'clock. University of Michigan sediment. And then it's got 5-year inflation and then the 1-year inflation outlook. U.S. business inventories. There's a lot of news coming out in 2 minutes, so just be careful. Efka. MGC was good to you this morning. Yeah, gold's been looking a little bit easier, better now. But I'm gonna switch to MNQ in like 2 seconds. I just yeah, this isn't gonna hold. It's gonna drop. Back to MNQ. And MNQ does not look good. Oh yeah, you gotta wait for confirmation for that gold.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with the University of Michigan sentiment prelim.
All right. Think it's gonna be bad or good? I'm thinking good because they keep saying inflation's down, recently. So you would think that the outlook would be, unless it's off of old data, which could be. Also, the 1-year data could make it bearish too. It's probably like a month old of where it slowed down.
10 seconds. 51, 51 lower than forecast, 55. The 1-year inflation at 4.3%, 4.3%, which is higher than in forecast 4.2%,
Not
and
good.
5-year inflation as expected at 3.3%. Expectations at 50.6, 50.6, lower than forecast 55.2. Conditions at 51.8, 51.8, which is lower than forecast 54.8. And the US business inventory is month over month 0%, 0%, which is lower than forecast 0.1%. You see some weakness in the US dollar off the back of this. Again, we saw the 1-year inflation prelim come in higher than expected. The sentiment number itself, however, coming in lower.
So I don't know if that cancels it out. 5-year inflation stayed flat. The 1-year is higher. I'm on the 1 minute for now. I'll switch between 1 and 5. Let's
We
see,
have
I want
posted the
to.
University of Michigan Sentiment Survey August prelim report on the feed for those interested. Also seeing a prior revision for business inventories revised up to 0.4 from 0.3%.
Well, that's not good. Only 8% of consumers expect income growth to outpace inflation over the next year. I mean, it's kind of been like that for 5 years, no? I don't know oil enough. But that thing's ripping. It's already at the 50%. Like, there's no meat here. There's no meat here. MCL doesn't follow normal market structure. It does whatever it wants. I used to trade oil a lot, but it's been a little bit of its own kind of mind lately. That liquid gold. This could, excuse me, this could rip up back up to 280s, but oh. Little Katy Perry. Guys, I'm trying to be patient here. I sorry, there's no trades. We want to make sure that we make money, you know what I mean? I'm up a good amount of my lucids. Trade day, I'm down 400 though. The trade day, I last night, man, I was just chilling. I took a trade and it just didn't work twice. Just long it? You just long it. These candles are huge. Literally, it's like what, 80 points in 3 minutes here? That's a problem. If you just get in, man, the candles are just crazy. So you gotta like make sure that you're in the right spot. Alright, trying the orb high again. Guys, can you guys tap that screen? Give me 10 likes each. 10 likes each. Real quick, 10 likes each. Somebody help me! Thank you. 5 minute and 1 minute OB up top. See. We're in one right now, but I would like it to come up just a little more. Thank you, Triad, for
money
the
can't buy
share.
happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
And a gift. Thank you. I appreciate it. Triad with the hearts. We are. This is an entry for me to short, but for the order block style. Trying to decide what I want here. I'm gonna go in 3. I'm not gonna take that much. 243. It's still 23 points. I mean, if we wanted to look at this, we can aim for the 50%, which is 237s. Come on, drop, baby. All right, TP hit. TP hit. $33.11 if popped. Yeah, I can see like 316s. Alfie just doesn't want to get out of the orb. It's just like yesterday all over again. What is it waiting for? All of Iran stuff? That's it? do nothing. I mean, oil's ripping. That's about it. You still want to short that? I like this song. All right, 3 minutes maybe. Trade oil. I know, right? Russell's going up, you said? Cup and handle on the 1 hour. Orb high is the break. Ah. Oh, yeah. 287s. Problem with the 1 hour, it could take, you could break it and then pull back, and you still be right, but it's still gonna come back. Can be like 100 points. We're willing to hold it. Would be fantastic if we get like break to the downside and then rip up. Mr. Dad says, might short the 175 area, or you think they took it already with that big push? I don't know. We are back into yesterday's range after the push up. This thing is just top nation again. See, I want to see it sweep down again. Let's see. What did Cowboy just say? It's holding. I think something somewhere will happen. Something going to happen. What are you talking about, Cowboy? Huh? Say what you're saying again. What's up, Ryder? Talking to yourself. I'm looking at what you're saying. I don't know what the hell you're saying. All right, there. That's a huge candle, though, man. Can't get a break here. Might just keep fucking chopping, guys. I have a feeling that you're actually serious, Cowboy. Are you serious? Made a lower high and a lower low.
Russia's Black Sea oil terminal in Novorossiysk has suspended oil loadings following drone attacks on Friday, according to sources.
Let's go. Let's get the tax going back. Yeah, I guess the lower high area. You said yes, man. Why not? Dude, it's your sister, man. You don't think that's too much? Oh, man. It's too. You know your comments pop up. You don't even want to know what he's saying, Mr. Dad. Or what he's implying.
Broadcom shares fall 5%, which is leading the S&P 500 declining names today.
guys think it bounces or no? It breaks. I'm gonna try it. Nothing crazy. Just trying to sympathy bounce here. Right off of the orb low. Also, the 5-minute could be in play. Now it's huge, the candle. Never mind. They didn't go off the entire thing. I was thinking it's going to pop back up to 200. Fuck.
The S&P 500 now touches an intraday low after turning negative.
Come on! It looked good. Could go to 152s. It looks like it's getting heavy again. Man. Just like that. Let's see if it holds. We got a minute and 50 seconds. There's an order block here. What are you gonna do? Nasdaq. 149. Good. I was trying to do the sympathy bounce here, but might be completely wrong. Off the orb blow, but it kind of just cracked through, of course, you know. Got 30 seconds. Damn. Way bigger loss than I wanted. 14 seconds. Close below. I feel like it's gonna play games down and rip right back up. $149. Yeah, that's why I'm holding a little bit, because I feel like it's going to sympathy bounce up a little bit. Could be completely wrong, though. There's a fucking short, finally. Jeez. Got a stick, though. Got 142s, too. It says short, but I feel like it's going to pull back first. Fuck you. Come on. But I get... See, I thought it was so good here, man, and it just ripped down on me before. I gotta leave in like 5 minutes. I gotta pick my son up. Nope. Not gonna fucking happen, is it? I was waiting for some kind of pullback. It always does a pullback, right? Let him walk. Be a far walk. Always a pullback. Then there's no pullback today. There is 2 gaps here. Let's see what happens. Okay, pull back. Come on, come on, come on. 23. There's another short. Come on. Break the top. There you go. $124. Shit, when I was younger, I had to walk that far. Cloud's so high. 88. If it starts dumping more, it's gonna fucking waterfall. Gotta be careful. There's that 1 minute now. Yeah, I gotta go in like 3 minutes here. What the hell is it gonna do? You gonna teach your son to trade? I try to, but he don't. He has no interest right now. I don't know. Maybe when he's older, then. Really, cowboy? Look at these wicks, man. That's why I'm getting confused. This is gonna keep going. I'm gonna short. Over here, wishful thinking. It's not gonna go up. All right, I'm gonna go pick my son up. I'm gonna leave this plane. Be back. 12 minutes, 14 minutes.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Wow, did that really just edge me? Crazy. Like, do I have patience and just hold it? All right, let's see. Sucks because my TP before would have hit. I mean, this right here is a nice little like triangle. It should fall. What's up, Mr. Bassett? This breaks, it should crack. What did gold do? Just won't go down, dude. There ain't shit to do on MNQ. I don't know, man. This closed above. Let me see where this was, because just curious. So this can actually go to 182. Hmm. Probably just it just broke that area. If this rips the bottom, then I don't like how it's the midline though. The OB needs to like rip down. Go down, go down. So if this holds, I'm a little nervous it's gonna rip back up to 218s. So I'm like looking at it. But we got a new hourly in a couple minutes. My stop loss is at 176. But it's not, this isn't like a trade that I'm like really proud of because it's kind of just went in it because it just wasn't going up. So we're gonna see on how it reacts. Here, we need to start ripping down though. Like faster. Okay, good, good. Keep going. Any news since I was gone or no? Oh, there you go. I feel like I want to get rid of some of it just in case. One, two. I'm just gonna hold one. Just too, I don't know. Too nervous. Just too nervous. All right, I think I'm gonna close this, and then I want to see how it reacts. I mean, we're already at the 50%. Like, there's just no wiggle room here. You maxed up every trade. I was born like this, bro. I mean, I could walk away with a... Damn, that would have been a nice one. I can walk away. The only thing that's negative is my trade day. It's $500 now. Sucks, but it is what it is. I should go all the way to my spot, I swear. There it goes, you little shithead. Gold moving? Alright, gold's moving. I got 7 people in here. I think I gotta restart TikTok. I can't, I'll be right back. Mr. Dad said, I was getting scared on that short. I exit out on the one order right before it dropped. I know. Just like playing games. I have a feeling it's gonna come down here, but got that 5-minute. We're gonna mark that out. See how that reacts. If it can close above this 5M, then we're gonna go long on the Nasdaq. I would say like around 197, 200s easily. I was hoping a 1 minute would pop first. And I think gold just went up too high already. Yeah. So I've been liking gold a little bit more than usual. Usually stayed away from it a couple months. It's been moving like kind of not as erratic as it was before. I had to pick up my son. You have an e-bike? Nah, it's like some of it, like where to get them was like country roads. Life is a highway. Man, do you think it's gonna go down? I feel like it wants to.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Nika,
Daddy?
welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Is that you?
Daddy, chill.
I think somebody else followed me. I don't know who it was. Now this makes you want to short it again. Come on. 100. Break, break, break. I think it comes down to 77s, but so sporadic. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think Nasdaq will keep going down? I originally thought this, and then it just played sideways, and then it finally broke. The target was 77s. There it goes. Okay. Dale just takes his time. Like a mind psychology here. I think it could look at the way down from yesterday. What was yesterday? What did it do? Okay, we touched the cloud. Let's see if it starts coming straight down again. Overall, price action has been real trash this entire week. Do you guys agree? It just wasn't like consistent at all. We had one big movement in the morning time, and then that was it. Every single day, and then it just didn't move. Some Asia sessions were good, but that was about it. Come on, smash down, baby. Smash down, baby. There you go. Continue down. Looking for 96 as my first target. I really do think it goes to 77 eventually, but we'll wait for like a pullback. Is that my pullback? Oh man, I got my hand on the short button and I won't press it. Cutwish says pivot at 80. Okay, so that would make sense to go down there then. What are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? Alright, gold is still ripping up. We'll check that again in like 2 minutes. I wanted to pull back up again and maybe I'll short again. It's teetering. There it goes, you little shithead. Let's see. Come on, Nasdaq. Just drop down. Actually, I want you to pull back first, and then we can drop you down. I don't want to chase it. Alright, here's a new 15. I'm cool with this. Let's see how it reacts. See how it reacts. Pop up a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna short it there. Watch it just moon. Okay. Now, I don't know where I'm going to hold this to. I am uneasy about all this price action, but I would assume that it wants 77s. Hopefully it continues down here. Touch the cloud. This goes up now. I'm gonna be so pissed off. Should come down. I'm thinking 77 still. Really, really hard price action. Do you guys agree? It's like trying to read this is not the easiest. There it goes. You kind of like it? Oh, to your levels? Your levels are... Yeah, but it's taking forever to get to them. I guess it doesn't matter, right? As long as you just got patience and chill, sit back. Need more patience, that's what it is. What level are you looking for, Mr. Bob? Fucking thing. It's 105 level? We hit 105, shit. You think it stops there? I think we go to 77s, 80s. Ah, gotcha. Now let's see how it acts. I mean, it's a lot of resistance there. It was support, 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 broke through, and now it's gonna see if it's gonna be resistance. I'm just wondering why you said 105. Just a level that you created? A higher time frame, or Danny said 30, 30. Oh yeah, that could be it too. That could definitely be it too. If you look, it's the last line in the sand. Look back 1 week.
The German 30-year yield rises 8 basis points to around 3.72%,
Oh,
its
see
highest
it.
since 2011.
15 is really far away from that cloud. Smash down, baby. Cowboy says 30K. I don't know, man. That would be like awesome if it swiped it. There's a short. Come on. Come on. There you go. I'm okay with getting out of here, I think. And then I'll judge it and get back in. All right, our original TP was hit. Took forever. Watch it just completely collapse.
Brent
Think
crude climbs
30K?
more than $1 on tanker attacks and straight from us.
Moving good now. Now I'm okay with this. ES broke the pivot. Yeah, gold's doing. Just chilling. We just keep shorting on the pullbacks. Yeah, X6 would have been spanking right now. Metal trades, caught that? No problem. I did not like how long it took though, but we did get it. But this thing is dropping. Shit. All right. What are you gonna do now, there, guy? 30/30s right here. This is a really old support and resistance right here in this box. X6 says, I've been a big kitty cat lately because I don't want to blow the count, but I need to just make more money in X. We in the middle of the 1 hour and 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, but the price action's been cuckoo, so don't sweat it. Bob says 981. Yeah, I could see 1.6 extension. There's a lot of different spots here. You know, I got to see how it just reacts when it blows through them. Because if you get in the wrong spot, again, they're $100 candles, okay? $100 candles. And to be honest with you, it hasn't hit any of my sweeps at all. Now we're just doing basically extensions. The Nasdaq is starting to move though now, so I mean it took forever, dude. Look at this fucking sideways movement, and starts breaking down. You would have think it's gonna it's gonna go right there to your spot. Who called 30/30? Who was it? Shannon. Good job. We're almost there. Hey. Close enough. Yeah, I was just gonna say that was pretty close. I need to come back up a little bit so we can try a short. Mr. Dad says I need 320 left for the eval. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. We'll get it. I need 322 to be break even on my trade day. Just try to be patient. See if it goes up a little higher. Hey. Hey. Bounce area. I'm trying to see if we can short this one more time around here.
Ten-year French yields rising 10 basis points to about 4.04%, the highest since
Fucker.
2009.
Yeah, fucker, you couldn't go up a little bit more? This is 29,910, next level down 3-day week equilibrium. Wow. Fucker. Dude, that thing missed me by 2 points. We need to make a lower low here. I want to see it go up a little more. I might short it. Trying to be patient again. These things just won't go to my levels that I want to short it. Show all-time P&L? What does that even mean? How do I show all-time P&L if I take payouts? $37. Yeah, that would be a great long. I need the sweep to come down. I'm assuming that you're not having the bugs stop for the sweep. We gotta get past this order block though. Yeah, no, I got mine's 712 box. It's 38 bottom. Man, that might be the order block, bro. It bounced. It bounced. Well, it could just be playing off of this small sweep. So I mean this swing. I don't know. I'm gonna short it. I'm shorting it. You can possibly catch crazy longs. Yes, I'm waiting for this a sweep down though. But this is a fucking order block here. We're at the 50% now, so I don't fucking know. Risky. Risky. We're in the 60% pullback. I really wanted to break just that 32 area. Would be sweet, you know?
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
The 4-hour fair value gap right now lines up with the OTE and equal highs. I agree. I'm in the area that I like. I just wanted to go down a little bit more. I need to break 32s. 967. I'm cool with that too if it keeps dropping.
Arita, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Man. Order block here. Long ways up to that 5-minute cloud too. $30.07. I like that. There you go. Either gonna be violent or it's gonna fucking reject here, so keep going. Rip through. Rip. 9 seconds. It's fucking holding still. All right.
The Nasdaq 100 falls 0.5% to a session
If
low.
it goes
the S&P now
above
down 0.2%.
44 and closes, then I'll have to go long. What's up, Gen Wealth? Cowboy, who said show all-time P&L? I don't know, some rando. This doesn't look, it looks heavy right now. We hit that 78%, so too. Do a break even just in case. This thing is holding, bro. Ah! See if it rejects. Close above this, I'm going in long. Probably a little bit heavier than this, too. Okay, it's rejecting still. Gap up. Rip down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do, man? 36 seconds. $18. Okay, I think I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna close this and go long soon. If it closes above 9 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sucks. See if I can get a long entry here on the pullback. Oh, dude, the 50% is right there. Fuck, that thing just ripped up. Ah! Oh, yeah? How'd you get that market maker info? Fucking thing just rips up. I tried. Let's see where the 5 is. They freaking held that OB. 5-minute unfilled gap could retrace that. Can go all over the place. Like the big bars. They have tighter spreads because it's 73x my position, and they won't have mine filled for lower spread. Oh. Damn. I tried, but it just went too quick. I didn't know you were that rich, trends to you. Watch this thing just rip right down, back down. I'm a sunflower. All right, next candle. Let's get a little rip, and then maybe we can get a move up. Watch it go right the fuck down, bro. Think it goes back up? Guess now it's considered a touched. Breaks this OB, we're gonna get a nice little, just a little